Christina Hitchcock with Old National Investments. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I appreciate it. Here's the quote of the week. If you want to have a better performance than the crowd, you must do things differently from the crowd. The longer that I'm in this business, the more convinced I am that change is the only constant. I realize that market ups and downs can be extreme and unpredictable, and that volatility can play a havoc on your nerves. In times like these, I like to remind my clients to expect the unexpected and try not to let your emotions derail your long-term investment plans. One of the most common temptations is to lose patience and sell as prices continue to drop. Now may be a good time to reevaluate your portfolio to get back to the basics. Now, I don't have a crystal ball, but I often take comfort in history. Over the long haul, the U.S. stock market has risen more than it has declined, reflecting the fact that the economy and business activity have expanded and overcome periodic downturns. So here's some back to the basics advice and things to think about. Don't panic. Assess your situation. What isn't working? Long-term investors, don't give up on stocks. Have your original investment goals or objectives changed? Do you have a well-balanced portfolio? If not, where's the under or overexposure? I hope you have found this information useful. As always, feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I would love to talk with you about your financial goals. Until next time, thanks for listening and have a wonderful day.